Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading All Together Now for the week of June 28th, 2023, Part 1. Anemone is Not the Enemy by Anna McGregor. I'm so lonely. I hate being stuck here with the boring barnacles. High tide. Oh, look, new friends. Oh no, it's Anemone. Whatever you do, don't get too close. Why? Hi guys, what's happening out there? Don't ask. This shell's taken, buddy. I bet you've seen some cool things. Pirates? Mermaids? Kraken? Tell me everything. Hello? This is making me nervous. Low tide. Uh-oh. Occupied. Sting! Sorry, I can't help it. As soon as the tide comes in, we're out of here. I'm trying to make friends, not enemies. So why do I always sting everyone? I did it to the seahorse. I did it to the starfish. I even stung the sea cucumber. What a pickle that was. It's no wonder everyone avoids me. High tide. I'd rather take my chances out there. Good luck, Clowny. Look away, I'm naked. Hi, nice hair. Not hair, but thanks. This rock pool is great. It is? At last, my dream home. King tide. Uh-oh. Anemone, I'm coming in. But I'll... Sting! Wow, I didn't sting you. We're good together. Finally, I've got a friend. But I suppose you'll be going back to the big, exciting ocean. Nah, we've got a good thing going here. The ocean. Believe me. Arrgh! Did you know? Fun fact number 1. Clownfish and sea anemones have a special relationship. Clownfish are immune to sea anemones' poisonous tentacles, and these provide the fish with protection from predators. In return, clownfish clean sea anemones by eating algae and other food scraps off them. The scientific name for two species helping one another is symbiosis. Fun fact number 2. Hermit crabs don't grow their own protective shells like other crabs. Instead, they must use a discarded sea snail shell for protection from predators. As a hermit crab's body grows, it must upgrade to a larger shell. Fun fact number 3. Tides are the rise and fall of oceans caused mainly by the moon's gravitational pull on Earth. The end. Alright, we're going to make an under the sea coral craft. And these kits, your Craft to Go kit, is actually a kit by Oriental Trading. And you'll find instructions inside. I went ahead and put some instructions on your sheet, but it just might be better to go by the ones that are inside. You see, you use the picture as a guide to make that. And it has the parts. These are the base. So you'll glue that together. It's a sticky thing. And then you have all these chenille sticks or pipe cleaners that are cut. And you'll have little stick-on fish. And I'll show you how those work. But we'll put those aside for now. The only thing I suggest getting is I have a little bit of glue in a tiny cup. I'm going to dip the chenille sticks in to help them to stick better. And then I would say to get a pencil or pen, because then you can kind of twist the tops of them a little bit to make them look neat. You don't have to do that, of course. You can just stick them straight in. You can do some and not the others. It's up to you. Now, the first thing we're going to do is adhere the foam circle to the bottom of the base. So here's the foam circle, and here's the base. And we're going to try to line that up. And I'm sure the foam circle, when you stick the chenille sticks in, will help it to stick better too. And then you just insert the stems into the foam base. There's all these little holes. I suggest starting on the inside, so that, or either on the inside or on one side, so that you can see all the little holes. But I'm going to twist some of mine before I put them in. So I'm going to twist it, dip it a tiny bit, and notice it's just a tiny bit, and then stick it in there. And I'm just going to do that for a bunch of them. And I'm just going to mix in the colors. I'm not going to do it any kind of pattern or anything. You can see some are taller than others. And when I stick this in the hole, it bent a little bit. That's okay. But just kind of do it the way you want to. And I'll be back to show you how to put the fish on. Okay, I just finished putting all my little pipe cleaners in. I had 2 extra, so that's fine. I put them in all the holes. I don't know if you can, well, I guess you're not supposed to see the holes, so that's a good thing. The last thing you're going to do is put on your fish. We have clownfish, we have a green fish, and little blue and yellow fish. Maybe that's a flounder, I don't know. And then we've got blue backings that match them. So what you're going to do is you're going to carefully peel off one of the fish. I'm going to pick a clownfish right now, and the matching backing, which is this one here. And it's also a sticky one. Make sure you can get the stickiness. And all you're going to do is you're going to select one of your pieces, and you're going to put it around like this and stick it on. And there he is. I'm going to stand him up a bit. So you'll do that for all 4 of your fish. There, I've gotten all my fish stuck on there. I had to turn this one down because when I wasn't looking, I did it upside down, but that's okay. It fixed, and that's it. That's your little sea coral.